how you can delete any virus ads from your Android mobile. The first thing you need to open is your settings. Tap right here in your settings options. After that, my dears, you just need to scroll down until you find apps. Tap right here in apps, default apps. And after that, you must tap in your apps at the right side. And after that, you must tap in sort by last updated. Okay, in this screen, it will show the last updated app you're using. So when the ads appears in your Android mobile, you need to find this app right here. So tap right here in your virus ad and tap right here in delete or disable app. Pay attention. Sometimes you will have 2, 3, 4 different kinds of app. So every time that the ad appears in your screen, do this step by step and delete the last app you wish. Leave a like, my dears. I hope I help you with this simple tutorial. Until the next video, and see ya.